Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Ugphone supports split screen and that both apps are open and recent. Hold the recent or app icon to expose split screen options. This is the fastest path. Once the split command appears, drag the first app into the top or left slot so you control layout. Make sure to enable required gesture or navbar settings if the option is hidden. This saves time and prevents repeated steps when toggling multitasking. Once both apps occupy the screen, you need to arrange and resize them for efficient use. Drag the center divider to allocate space based on task priority and lock screen rotation so layout stays stable while you work. If you want the other app as primary, use the swap control or drag its title to the top/left. This avoids reopening apps. Make sure background processes are allowed so the secondary app remains responsive. Otherwise, you'll see lag when switching focus. To finish, position your panes for the final task flow and close unrelated apps to free memory. You'll notice smoother responsiveness. When done, exit split screen with the divider drag or the app icon command to return to full screen. If the split fails or apps flicker, reboot the Ugphone first. If the problem persists, update the OS and both apps. Outdated builds often break multitasking. If nothing fixes it, clear app caches or reset multitasking settings as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.